What's going on YouTube? It's Brandon back at it. So what we have here is a failed blower motor, or for your air conditioner. Um, I did like a volt test, and uh, everything worked great. Everything read 12 volts, but the fan wouldn't kick on. So I grabbed my little alligator clamps here, and I just put these on up here. Put the ground on the ground, the black on the ground, the red on the power, and then I put the other ones on here, and it didn't work. But here's the new one right here, and of course I did the same thing, and it came on just fine. I knew I'd already replaced the blower resistor, and that's this thing right here. I'd already replaced this through Dorman. This is the part number. You guys can see it. All right, and this motor here it was a bunch of stuff. I cleaned a lot of that out of there, but it was a bunch of like what you see in here. There's a bunch of that in here. So whoever previously had this truck, they possibly smoked and they had a pet. And it's like hair and shit all in here. Excuse my language. But yeah. But it works. But now the thing is, I bought this one from Fleet Pride. So Fleet Pride only sells the motor. And I didn't check to see if they sold the fan because I assumed I could get the fan off, but after numerous tries, I ended up not getting it off. So I ordered another one from AutoZone. So, but yeah, on these internationals, these 9400 Eagles, or you there's pretty much like there's a screw, here. Then there's like I think two in front here. It's like one here, one over there, and one down there, and then there's two more. There's one here, and then there's another one like down here. Then you have to take all this stuff off too up here. I got to clean my truck out. But yeah, and then this pretty much just slides out of there. It was in here like this. I'll show you. Sorry about all the motion, but it was inside pretty much like that, you know. And yeah, you get it out of there. It's like a few screws. I got the screws and stuff over here. They're in right here. But yeah, my air conditioner. I was coming out of Oklahoma Thursday. Let me turn it around. I was coming out of Oklahoma Thursday, and I had the fan blowing, because it was hot, of course. And as I was probably about getting close to Fort Worth, the fan just cut off. I was like, what's going on? So I cut it off, cut it back on, nothing. So I kept doing it. I'm like, man, it's not working. It's getting hot in here pretty quick. So I let the windows down. I tried to test it whenever I made it to the truck stop. That's when I got my multimeter out here. I'm gonna show it to you. You guys don't have a test light. I'm gonna show you what's the next best thing or the best thing, because you can do ohms with it too. Give me a second. Oh, where did it go? Did I take it in the house? I don't see it. Is it under here? It might be under here. No, it's not under here. Oh, here it is. Goodness gracious, if it was a snake, it'd have bit me. One of these things. Check volts, check, see if you got 12 volts. But I'm gonna clean all this out of here. I have to wait. Sorry, I'm kind of all over the place. I have to wait until about 4 o'clock for AutoZone to have my fan. They have to get it from another store. I'm trying to think what else. Oh, I got my trailer. Show it to you guys. We got a flatbed step deck. Sorry. It's what I drive on my off days. Something old school, something old, turn it sideways. But this is my trailer and everything. It's a 48 by 102. I picked it up this week. Well, really, I paid for it like 2 weeks ago, and of course, I had to, work to it to go and get it, considering where it was at. But yes, the tires on it, they're pretty old. One of the tires is a Firestone, and when I looked at the date, I believe it was made on the 11th week of the of 2020, no, of 2016. So it's about that. Those tires are probably about 7 years old or older. So, but yeah, man. We like I said, I still got to go and get it weighed and everything. I got to go get reweighed and everything. I got to get me a headache rack for my truck. Um, put all my straps, chains, binders, and stuff on the truck. Go weigh the truck and the trailer, and then once I get that weight, go and drop the trailer in one of the parking spots and go reweigh the truck. Then weigh the truck, and then you just do the math from your gross or your combination weight from you subtract that weight from your tractor weight, and you'll get the weight of the trailer for the most part. That way, I changed the title and stuff over in my company name and everything. But yeah, man, it was hot though. Coming back into Texas, and well, cutting through Oklahoma and into Texas and everything, But I checked the switch too. The switch is fine. I was getting power to the switch. I was getting 12 volts everywhere. But I just hate that they're not gonna have it ready until about 4 o'clock maybe, and everything. But yeah, one of these is the heater core, and one of them is the actual. I think it's condenser or evaporator. It's one of them. I gotta get them mixed up. I forget which one is on the radiator. I'm in front of the radiator, and which one is in here. But I know that they're called a condenser and evaporator. So, but yeah, it's pretty much it. Like I said, I guess I could show you guys how to do a jumper if you guys ain't never seen it before. If y'all give me a second, I'll hook it up real quick. Let me pause it. All right. So this is my new motor here. And you can see I put the red on the red, black on the black on the little pigtails here. And then I hooked it up where my CD radio will be, and I got the power there, and then this is the ground. And then if you look here, you see it's moving. So that's how I know it works. The new one works. That's how I know that the new one works. But the old one did no such thing. It never uh come back on. But yeah, that's my seat and stuff. But so if you guys ever need to test your motor, I just basically showed you guys how to, jump your motor. I'm pretty sure most owner operators and guys that, kind of mechanically inclined kind of know, how to do that. It's just something I figured I'd show you guys. Well, I'll put my tools and stuff up, and guess I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.